Eric, say, "Happy birthday, Great-Grandma." Happy 90th birthday, Great-Grandma. I'm excited to meet you next month. Yay! Here's Eric at 1 month and 1 day. Eric, can you smile? Can you smile? Can you show Great-Grandma a smile? Yeah. Yeah, can you show Great-Grandma a smile? Yay! Yay! Hi, Eric. Hi, baby. There's a little smile. There's a little smile. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. And you say, "Happy birthday." Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Okay.